person swimming out there. But nope, it's just me. I'm the only weirdo.
Keeping myself busy here.
Mm-hmm. The rusty Argonian blade. That's like the lusty Argonian maid. Ha 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 ha. I get it. Okay, can I get in there? That's the question. Is there people? Okay, why don't I go?
Snooping around, are you? I won't warn you again.
Who's looking at me? Oh my god, I might get it. I need a cheerleader. Help! What do I do? Shit. Alright, I can do it. I can do it. Oh my god, I did it. Oh my god. This is it. This is the first thing I'm gonna successfully lockpick. What? Come on. Oh. I'm so close.
I'll only ask nicely once.
Who is looking at me? Well, I feel like I can do it. Even if I don't get in, it'll be worth it if I can figure out how to pick the lock. Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit! Oh shit, I did it! Oh shit. I'm not supposed to be in here. Do they know that I picked the lock? They don't seem very upset.
What's this
It's probably
about?
not even...
You don't belong here.
Shh.
If you meant to be sneaky, you failed.
There's not even anything in here. And that's not even the lusty Argonian maid. That is a dude.